Hi everyone, I'm Lee.
And I'm Joe.
And we're from Duck Duck. We're here in our New York City showroom and we're about to show you how to put together our Juno crib in a few short steps.
Let's do this.
First, take an egg panel and hang it against the wall. Next, take your side rail and insert it to your end panel using the green connectors. Push down to lock into place. Take your other side rail and insert it to the end panel using the green connectors. Push down to lock. Attach the remaining end panel using the green connectors. Push down to lock into place. Next, take your L pin and insert it into the crib with the smooth side going in. Next, take your mattress panel and lower it into the crib. Make sure that all 4 holes line up with your L pins. Take your hardware and connect it to the corner holes of the mattress panel. Screw it in using your Phillips head screwdriver. And that's it, you're done. Take your crib mattress and put it in. And finito.